Good morning, panelists. We are here in front of you to defend our research study entitled Social Media and Self-Esteem among Senior High School Students in Don Enrique Lopez National High School. I am Zali P. Maubay, together with my co-researchers, Juneli Nuna and Rahima Magaraw. Introduction. In Tokyo, Japan sent studies on social media usage. 3 billion people use these platforms to communicate each day, Iwamoto and Chon 2020. Facts and figures show that people spend on average 2 hours per day on variety of social media applications, exchanging photos and messages, updating status, tweeting and commenting on numerous updated social media platforms. This growing population of social media users is spending an increasing amount of time social network groupings. ABO 2017. In Metro Manila, Philippines, a study on the impact of social media use and self-esteem among senior high school students showed a negative correlation between social media use and self-esteem, indicating that excessive social media use may lead to lower self-esteem level among senior high school students. Cruz and De Leon 2019. The study also identified factors that contribute to this relationship, such as social comparison, cyberbullying, and FOMO, or fear of missing out. The researchers suggest that educators and parents should promote healthy social habits among teenagers to mitigate the negative effects of social media on self-esteem. Don and Hunter 2021. In Davao Oriental, Philippines one study conducted revealed a significant positive correlation between social media use and self-esteem, suggesting that social media may have a positive impact on the self-esteem of senior high school students. The study also identified some factors that may moderate the relationship between social media use and self-esteem, such as gender, age, and frequency of social media use. The study provides valuable insights into the relationship between social media use and self-esteem among senior high school students. Tajan Langit 2019. Studying the effect of social media on self-esteem is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps us understand how the increasing prevalence of social media platforms may be influencing people's feelings about themselves. This knowledge can aid in the development of strategies to mitigate negative impacts and promote healthy online experiences. Second, by examining the relationship between social media use and self-esteem, we can identify potential risk factors for mental health issues, such as depression and anxiety, which are increasingly linked to social media consumption.
Ano si store? Unong ka ballpen?
This research can
Unong,
contribute to the creation of more responsible and user-friendly social media platforms, ultimately fostering a healthier online environment for all users.
In statement of the problem, the demographic profile are age and sex, and the level of student, social media, and self-esteem.
Hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between social media and self-esteem among senior high school students in Don Enrique Lopez.
Ito ka mong fixing table. Unong ka mo? Ay,
Significance of study. School administrator. The finding of study may help the school administrator to prepare policies and rules that would help the students' regulation in using social media and optimizing their self-esteem.
Students. This study is a great help for them to deeply understand the effect of social media and their self-esteem.
Parents.
Kuris-kurisan
This
niya.
study will help the parents to aware
Pwede na kuris-kurisan ha.
of their children's level
Basta hindi mo agi.
and their level of self-esteem.
Future researchers. This study will provide learning about the effects of social media on senior high school students' self-esteem. This can be material for their future your study?
Scope and limitation. The research was limited to the determination of relationship of social media usage and self-esteem of senior high school student in Donna Ricky Lopez National High School. The study commenced in fourth quarter and second semester of senior high school year 2023-2024. One of the inherent limitations of this study was that the respondents were not observed. They were given questionnaires to fill. So the result of the research depend upon the integrity and truthfulness of the subject. The sample size has been limited to 96 respondents. This research is narrow in scope and can be subjected to limitation.